There's the, so that's an A. And I'm not sure if the other initial is there, but I don't see it on the coin. But I'll take a picture of that. Nope. And hopefully that photo turns out and you'll see it in post-production. So that's the wheat penny book. And I think the other books you saw it as I was completing it. So you can stay if you like, or go if you like, if you don't want to see those again. And of course, we'll go to the 1941 to this book is the pretty empty, but I have more coins to go through. And this 1975 to 2013. So I got some coins to fill in, but I have lots of other coins to go through. Those 5-pound bags, as a matter of fact. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope that you've enjoyed this penny search and from my penny pot. And now I can finally recycle that container. So thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.